Good morning, everybody. This is Nagesh Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering from Nalla Narasimha Education Society Group of Institution. So, this is the second lecture from Transportation Engineering. We will discuss. This is, we know very well, Unit 1 Highway Development and Planning. Guys, this is the topic different road development plans. So, in India, we have different road development plans is there. According to that information, we will discuss briefly. So road development plans, we have three types. One is the Nagpur Road Congress, next Bombay Road Development, and next one is Lucknow Road Development Program. According to these three, they are divided into 20 years road plan. So coming to the first one is Nagpur Road Conference, a conference of the chief engineers of all the states and province was convened in 1943 by the government of India at Nagpur. They are initiated, we need to develop particular road development program in India of certain period. So then they are decided first road development plan for the country as a whole. This is a landmark in the history of road development in India, as it was the first attempt to prepare a coordinate road development program. So in this first 20-year road development plan is known as Nagpur Road Plans. Were divided into 5 categories. That is the national highways, state highways, major district roads, other district roads, and village roads. The 20-year development program from the period 1943 to 63 was finalized, and these 20 years plan, they are divided into again 5 types, 5 categories of these 20 years. At the end of this plan, target road length aimed at was 16 km per 100 square kilometer area of the country. Recommended at the time, they are recommended that construction of star and grid pattern of roads throughout the country. During the first and second 5-year plan periods 1951 to 56 and 1956 to 61, the road development program also was systematic. Hence, Nagpur plan target of total road length was achieved about 2 years ahead in 1961. As early as 1957, there is a meeting with chief engineers of state and central government for future road development program, means the next 20 years road development plan. A committee was appointed to prepare the second 20-year road development plan strategy for the year 1961. And coming to the second one, second 20-year road development plan 1961 to 81. The second 20-year plan, also called as Bombay Road Plan. The second 20-year road development plan for the period 1961 to 81 was initiated by the Indian Road Congress, that is the IRC, and was finalized in 1959 at the meeting of the chief engineers of state and central government. This plan suggested that the length of the road should be increased so as to give a road density of 32 km per 100 square kilometer. The construction of 1600 km of expressways was also then included. During the third five-year plan period 1961 to 66, the annual plan 1966 to 69, and the fourth five-year plan period 1969 to 74, the road development in India continued at a steady pace. Rural roads were given specific attention by introducing scientific method of the construction in the second 20-year plan. The total road length targeted to construct was about 10. All types of roads achieved by the year 1974 was 11.45 lakhs kilometer, the density of road length being 34.6 kilometer per 100 square kilometer area. So the third 20-year road development plan for the period 1981 to 2001 was prepared by a committee of experts and was approved by the Councils of Indian Road Congress, also at the meeting of chief engineers. At the time, there is one particular board or evaluator, that is Highway Research Board, HRB. HRB of the Indian Road Congress set up in 1973. The board acts as national body for the coordination. Highway Research Board has recommended suitable financial allocation of research by state and central government. At that time, the objective of IRC Highway Research Boards are to correlate research information from various organizations in India and abroad with a view to exchange publication and information on the road. Absolutely, we need to get such kind of information to develop the road. And to coordinate and conduct correlation services. And to channelizes consummulative services. And there is 3 technical committees of HRB. For one is identification, monitoring and research application. This is the first point. And second one is the road research, evaluation and dissemination. And coming to the third one is bridge research and evaluation and dissemination. These are the 3 major points in the highway research road. So after that, there is one committee, that is a National Transport Policy Committee, that is the NTPC. NTPC appointed by Government of India in 1979. An NTPC reports was made available in 1980, and many of the major recommendations are accepted. And separate recommendations were also made for various factors connected with the development and growth of road transport by the year 2001. And coming to the next one is third 20-year road development plan. The third 20-year road development plan is also called as Lec-2 road plan. The third 20-year road development plan from 1981 to 2001, you know very well, was prepared by the road wing of the Ministry of Shipping and Transport with the active cooperation from a number of organizations and experts in the field of highway engineering. The 20-year road plan aimed at increasing the road length from 15 lakhs 2,700 km in the year 1981 to 27 lakhs 2,000 km by the year 2001. This will result in an increases in road density from 46 km per 100 square kilometer in year 1981 to 82 km per 100 square kilometer by the year 2001. Energy conservation, environmental quality of roads, and road safety measures were also given due to importance in this plan. Thank you.